City lights and blurry visions, neon colors in the distance. Every heartbeat feels electric, moving fast, cinematic.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create an AI music video using Soloa AI in just a few minutes.
Soloa AI is an all-in-one platform with over 50 AI tools: images, videos, music, speech.
First, go to AI Music and choose any model you want to use for your song generation.
Type the title of your song, add your lyrics, then click Generate, and let Soloa AI create the track for you.
Once the music is ready, download the audio file and head over to the AI video section. Click on Lip Sync, choose your model, then upload the image you want to animate. Attach the music file you downloaded earlier, and Soloa AI will sync everything together automatically. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a cinematic AI music video completely inside Soloa AI.